All right, here we are, 750 subscriber giveaway. I'm excited. We're gonna give away 2 Craftsman Tool Sets this time. So we're gonna have twice the winners. This is great. We did a 200 subscriber giveaway and a 500 subscriber giveaway. Now we're at 750. In fact, we're gonna do a 1,000 subscriber giveaway next. And I'm excited for that one. That one's kind of a big one and I can't wait for it to get here. How we're gonna do this is, I've got a YouTube comment picker webpage that I used in the last giveaway and actually both giveaways I use this. This is how the easiest way, the simplest way I figured that we can get a winner without you guys having to subscribe. Well, you don't need to subscribe and you can still win, although I do appreciate it if you do subscribe. But you don't have to sign up anything, you don't have to give me any personal information. And the comments don't do anything for my videos. It's great to see them and it's great to read them, but they don't affect the searchability of my video. It doesn't show up on the front page or anything. So this is just the simplest way that I can figure out how to get you guys entered into a contest without having to give up information. So what we're gonna do is, just like last time, we're gonna use this comment picker webpage, and what we'll do is we'll go back to the video that I did for this giveaway just last week. We'll grab the URL for that. We'll copy that. We'll come back over here, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna paste it right here. And this is where it's gonna grab the comments from. So this ZGX4, that's the same video that we have up here. So we're gonna scroll down. We're gonna filter duplicate users. I don't think anybody commented twice, but that way we don't have to worry about it. And we're gonna include replies to comments, although I don't think there were any replies, but that way we don't exclude anybody. We don't need to filter out any comments. We don't need to exclude any users, and we don't need to add anything. So we're gonna click this button, and this is gonna grab all of the comments. So there was 72 unique comments from the video, which is great. That's more than last time, which is fantastic. And then what we do next is we're just gonna click on this start button, and you'll see kind of a pop-up window of it kind of scrolling through a bunch of the comments, and then it'll just randomly stop on one. I don't have any control over that, and that's why I choose this site, because it's supposed to be a random pick. And what we're gonna do is we're going to click the button, it'll pick the first comment. In fact, we're gonna do the 33-piece tool set will be the first one that we'll do. And then we'll redo the raffle, and we'll do the 61-piece tool set. So let's do the first one here, the 33-piece set. Let's get that one going. So we're gonna click on the start button, and here we go, guys. All right, Keeping Up with the Joneses is the winner of the 33-piece tool set. Congratulations. His comment was, oh yeah, next up, 1,000 subscribers. Andy, I'm not affiliated with Craftsman, okay, I see what he was doing there. Yeah, well, I like Craftsman tools. They have been really good to me. I've had really good luck with them. There are great tools out there other than Craftsman, but I like the fact that I can get this tool set in something like this and give it away to you guys, and if nothing else, it's a place for you to store tools, maybe in your car or something like that. So these are great tool sets to have. So we picked him, or she, sorry, at 4:11 p.m. on July 28th. And then, so yeah. So Keeping Up with the Joneses. I'll need you to, well, in fact, we'll talk about that at the end, but we'll have you email me and we'll figure out how to get this mailed to you and get you set up. So for the next one, we're gonna, let's move this there. Now we're gonna do the 61-piece, right? Got that right? Yeah, 61-piece tool set. And so it'll be just the same way, except we're going to pick another winner, and it'll do the same thing. It'll sort through the comments and it'll just land on one. So here we go. Scrolling through, and Gary Smith, congratulations. He says, "Oh crap, I'm in the UK." Well, Gary, we'll figure something out. I was trying to keep this United States because I don't know what the rules are in other countries. In fact, speaking of that, for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I'm going to definitely include Canada on this next one. I think I can do that. Gary, if you really are in the UK, we'll figure something out. We'll get you figured out. So we picked him at 4:13 p.m. again today on July 28th. So you're the winner of the 61-piece set, and that takes care of that, guys. This has been fantastic. I know my channel is small. My videos are not super high end. This is all stuff, like I said before, I'm doing on myself. I'm not sponsored by Craftsman. They're not doing anything for me. YouTube is not affiliated with this. This is just something that I'm paying for myself to just give back to you guys. I really appreciate you guys. You don't need to subscribe to my channel, but it's great that you do. And then the comments that you guys leave me, besides this contest, you guys have left a lot of stuff that have helped me out. You've asked some questions that I've been able to help you out. And this is just a great opportunity for me to kind of give back to you guys, because I do appreciate you following my channel and watch my videos. So, all right, that takes care of that. If I don't hear from either one of you guys, the winners, what I'll do is I'll put this in the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, but I'm pretty sure you guys will get a hold of me. Gary Smith, and the other one was the Keeping Up with the Joneses. So guys, get a hold of me. My email is in my info page, or on my YouTube page. There's a place for my email in there. Go ahead and get a hold of me, and we'll get you figured out, get these sent off to you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys at the 1,000 subscriber giveaway.